Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Friday, November the 17th, 2023. 5 days to go for the election. Yes, the upcoming Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday we have the national election day for the Dutch government. Yeah, Prime Minister Mark Rutte will leave us. So yeah, there will be a new government. Anyway, 5 days to go, and we will count down those days. And we have here in today's newspaper a regular puzzle, a medium Sudoku, and regular jigsaw Sudoku. And in today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku. We have two tectonics, aka jigsaw Sudoku. One with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But right now I will continue with this one, the medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku number 7462. 7462. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one. Yes, I believe 27 printed digits. 27, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in additional, it will be a 1 star puzzle. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We'll see if this is a 1 star puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Oh, bump the camera. Apologies. Okay. Well, which number shall I pick? Pick. How about the number? 99. We have a 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so the row between only place level 2, shoot me there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column, so the first column and only place level 2, shoot me there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next on that column, only place level 2, should be here. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row, so the third row, only 2 place level 2 should be here on there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 place level 2 should be here on there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. Alright, and now, the 8 in this column, the 8 in the middle column, so the column next down, need 2 place level 8 should be here. On there, we see an 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square, one of the missing numbers is an 8, we have an 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes here, and 8 in this third column, no 8 in those 2 boxes, 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. The 8 in this row, the 8 in that row, so the row between the middle row, only 2 place level 8 should be here or there. See an 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8. Cannot continue with 8 now, need to wait. How about 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the last row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. Here 3 in the second column, so no 3 in that box. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3, okay. Need a 4 here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We see 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left, the 4 should be here. Then 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now, need to wait. Then need a 5 here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Taking too long, taking too long. Need a 7 here. I need 1 here. Need a 1 there. Wait. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 1. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. Here 1 in second column, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in this big square should be here. And then 5, 6, 3. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. Need 1 here. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Come on, come on. 3, 6, 7, 9. 9 in this row. 9 in second row. So the third row, the only place left for 9 should be 3, 6, 7. Okay, we have a 9 here. 9 there. Come on, come on. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Here. Need a 9 here. 9 there. Yeah, thinking. 3, 1, 2, 3. Need a 4. Need a 6. Need a 9. 4, 6, 9. 4, 6, 9. Here can we 6. 6 should be here. 4 and a 6. 4 and a 9. 9 should be there. We have a 6 here. No 6. Yeah, I'm thinking. Come on. This is taking long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Need a 6 here. 5, 7, 6. 5, 7, 6. Can we 5, 5, 5. 5 and a 7. 6 and a 5. 6 and a 7. Come on. 5, 6, 7. We have a 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Oh, there we see 1 in the last column, third column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. And I need a 1 here. Need a 3 here. Need a 6 here. Need a 5 in the third row. 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for 5 should be there. So now 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 6. We have a 3 and a 6 in this column. First column, so no 3 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square from the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square from us. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and 7 is missing. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for us. 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in the third row for the man. 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7, 7. Need a 3. Need a 6. 3, 6, and 8. 8 in this column. 8 in the column next to the last column. The only place left for 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6. 3 and the 6. So we have 3 in this column, 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So the last column, no, only place level 3, shoot there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here's 6 in the middle row, no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Shoot there. 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in the last row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes at there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4, 5, 9. 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9. And look, we have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be here. So the 5 and the 9 are left. 5 and the 9. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 2 boxes here. Also 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. We have a 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the man. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, we have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. Then 194. 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8, the 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1, 3, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. And look, we have a 3 and a 4 in the middle column, so no 3 and a 4 in this box. 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 is left in this big square for number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4, 9. We have a 4 in this column. Middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 9 goes there. 3 and 4, we have a 4 now in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 7 and 9, we have a 9 in the middle column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. Same numbers, 3 and a 6. We have 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 6 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Told you. Need to be faster than 15 minutes. And we solve it again. And I like this one here, so we'll do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.